Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Outlook integration in Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Outlook integration in Salesforce, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher, usually found in the top left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Outlook and select Outlook integration. You will be directed to the Outlook integration configuration page. Click on the Get It Now button to initiate the setup process. Follow the prompts to install the Outlook integration package. Once the package is installed, open Outlook. In Outlook, go to the Salesforce tab, which should now be available in the ribbon. Click on this tab to begin the integration process. You may need to grant permissions for Salesforce to access your Outlook account. Log in with your Salesforce credentials when prompted. Confirm the integration by selecting the appropriate checkboxes regarding data synchronization. Once confirmed, Salesforce will guide you through the initial setup steps. You will see options to customize your settings, such as syncing calendar events and emails. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. Finalize the setup by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Now, you should see new Salesforce features integrated directly into your Outlook. Ensure to test the integration by sending an email to verify everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Salesforce help documentation for troubleshooting tips. Congratulations, you are now successfully registered with Outlook integration in Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.